Hello everyone. So this weekly check-in, I want to talk to you about making sure that you keep pace with the course. And in the last weekly check-in, I told you about how you can directly access your module assignments through the link MyLab Math. So if you're having trouble getting into your assignments, you can get to your assignments directly through the MyLab Math link over here on the left-hand side. So right here, I can go ahead and just click, and then I can click on all assignments. And that will get me to all my assignments after I do the things I need to do, like watch the videos and read the textbook and things like that. So I've also mentioned to you in previous weekly check-ins that there's only 2 due dates in the class. But what I'm afraid is happening is that some of you are waiting until the last minute to do the assignments. And it's not a good idea because this is a full class worth of work. And so we can't do a full class worth of work in just a week or two. We have to pace ourselves. And even though you have maximum flexibility on when you do these, you need to find time every week to get a few assignments done. So right now there's some students who only have 1 assignment done or 2 assignments done, and the pace needs to pick up. So make sure that even though we have a due date that's not for another month, that we continue to work through our module lessons, and we also have application activities for every module and a module test. So we need to make sure that we're keeping pace with the course and not falling behind. Okay, one more thing for the weekly check-in that I want to make note of is that some students have mentioned that they don't see the work showing up in the gradebook. And I think that's because the gradebook that they're looking at is the gradebook in Blackboard. But the gradebook that I look at, that I would probably want you to look at, is the gradebook in MyLab Math. So if you go to MyLab Math, you have the all assignments, but you also have gradebook. So you can check your grades in the MyLab Math gradebook, and that should give you a better indication of how you're progressing through the class. All right, hope everyone had a good weekend and has a wonderful week. Talk to you soon.